Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to receive money in PayPal in Philippines. So guys, if you want to receive money via PayPal in the Philippines, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you on the screen. So first thing that you will do is open the PayPal app, or if you are using a desktop, just go to the website and go to paypal.com and log in into your account. And now guys, once you have done that, to receive money, just simply share your PayPal email address with the sender. And this is the email you used when you create your PayPal account. And now guys, once you have done that, once the sender initiate the transfer, you will receive notification email from PayPal, and from there, just simply check your balance and the transfer funds should appear into your account. And now guys, to ensure that the money has been received, check your transaction history. And now guys, if you want to withdraw the money, you can transfer it to your link bank accounts or other withdrawal options available in the Philippines. And that's simply about it. Just simply share your email address to the person that you want to receive the money from. And from there, just wait for the sender to process it and you'll be able to receive it, guys. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya.